Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make blue Hawaii bridge mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and fill the glass with ice cube. Then you have to pour 10 ml of coconut syrups. This is the layer mocktail I am preparing. You can try. After that, you have to squeeze on lemon juice. Just you have to pour 20 ml of fresh lime juice on it. Then you have to pour 240 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to pour 10 ml of blue cocoa syrups, and you can see the fancy mocktail will be prepared after that. So you have to 10 ml of blue cocoa syrups. You can add some more ice cube because I am making the layer mocktail. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well, slowly you have to shake all the ingredients. Then you can take any fancy glass and you pour all the ingredients into the fancy glass. See how the color came, very fancy color. You can add some more ice cream for layer. Then you have to take another glass and pour 20 ml of grenadine syrups. Then you have to pour 240 ml of ultra monster on it. You have to pour and see how the color came, very fancy color. After that, slowly you have to pour all the mixture on top of the glass for making the layer. See, this is how slowly I am adding the mixtures of grenadine and ultra monster. See, the 2-layer mocktail is ready. You can serve with straw, stirrers, and you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices and mint sprigs. So the fancy 2-layer mocktail is ready. See how the color came, very fancy mocktail. You can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. Your mocktail is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.